Mistake meaning error. Please repeat after me. Mistake. Mistake. Meaning error. Thank you. Have a nice day. Inspiring thought can spice up our day. So to inspire with thought, here comes Moshalin. Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is believing in yourself is the first secret of success. I repeat my thought. Believing in yourself is the first secret of success. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Arman Ahmed from class 2. Today's news headlines are as follows. First, national news. PM Modi says, we stand with the people of Wayanad and Kerala in this tragic hour and we assure all possible support to overcome this challenge. International news. Russia tightens its security after Ukraine's continuing incursion. Now sports news. Cricket team Australia wins the series by 3-0 against India. At today's weather report, maximum temperature will be 33 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will be 27 degrees Celsius. That's all for today's news headlines. Thank you.
Item by Hanishka. Good morning everyone. Today I is standing in front of you to tell few things about our beautiful Assam. One of North's most greatest states is Assam. It is also known for Assam tea and Assam silk. In Assam, there have walked mysterious hills, wild forests and sparkles Brahmaputra river. Assam is also famous for one-horned Indian rhinos. Bihu is the most important festival of Assam. At last, Assam is constantly buzzing with visitors and we Assam people welcome them